Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first long video. I upload a lot of shorts, crochet shorts, how I do and all, but this is my first long video and I just want to share with you what I have crocheted so far in the year 2025. So what I've crocheted in this year. So let's start the video. So the first one is this cardigan. You can see it's of red color. I crocheted in red color and I crocheted it with wool, and I did half double crochet in the whole cardigan, and just in the bottom, in the down of the cardigan, and in the hands, in the ending of the hand, and to just give a good finishing in the overall cardigan. I did a single crochet. It's just some single crochet and half double crochet. I made it of wool, and I added little white flowers in it. The flowers I did like of puff stitch. It's called puff flowers, and I added these flowers, and it gives a more cute look when I add these flowers. I crocheted it in crop size, like a crop cardigan, and I think it looks very cute and pretty, and I'm just so excited to wear. I guess I'll wear this in Christmas, so I'm so excited to wear this. So the next one is this pink shrug. You can see this shrug also looks so cute. Last year I saw so many girls, wearing this kind of shrugs where it has only in the back side and the sleeves. So I thought I should crochet it. But last year I didn't got time to crochet, so I crocheted it this year, and it looks very pretty. This shrug also I crocheted with wool only, and in here I did half double crochet, and just to give the finishing in the overall shrug, I did just slip stitch. So it's just a slip stitch and half double crochet, and it looks very pretty. It's of cropland. The sleeves I gave it like of bell sleeves, and it looks very pretty obviously, and I'm excited to wear this shrug also. So the next one is this dark blue mesh top. This mesh top looks so cool, and it's also very pretty. I made this mesh top with very thin yarn. You can see it's very very thin, like very very thin. I got it from a local shop, but so I don't really know what size and how much ply or something about this yarn, but it's very very thin, and I think it took me only like of 50 grams of yarn. I think it will be less than yarn because I still have little yarn left. I just got 50-gram yarn to just try in this yarn, can I crochet something. So it's still little left, so I think it will be less than 50 yarn, and it looks very pretty also. It just like we have to give some chains and then double crochet, so that's all. It's very easy. I think whoever crochets knows only how to crochet this mesh top, and I never crocheted a mesh top, so I thought I should try it. So this is the one, and yeah, it looks also so pretty, right? So the next one is this brown dress, and this is the last, out of crochet clothing that I crocheted this year. And it took me 2 months. I think it took me more than 2 months, and I was so impatient while crocheting this. It was like, when it will finish, when it will finish. But I'm so happy with the outcome. It came out so beautiful, so pretty. I did single crochet and double crochet. So the half part is just simple single crochet. Did it, and in down part I followed a pattern that I got from YouTube only, and I put this stripes, you can say, with a single crochet, and I just added this, so it looks very pretty. And the yarn is cotton yarn, but it's 4-ply cotton yarn, so this yarn is also a little bit thin only, and it took me so much yarn. It took me like 700 to 800 grams of yarn. So I think it's not good that so much of yarn is needed, so I could have gone with a much bigger size yarn. The size of the yarn is very small actually, so that's why it took me a lot of yarn. and and to be honest, the dress got a little bit heavy because of the down part, but while I'm wearing it, becomes comfortable, but if you carry it becomes a little heavy. So I think I did a mistake by choosing the wrong yarn, to be honest. And so yeah, this dress is pretty. I'm very, happy with the outcome, with the result. While wearing, it's not so heavy, I feel good, only comfortable. But I'm just sharing you that I choose the wrong yarn so that you don't do it. That's it. So next I want to show you some crochet accessories that I made. So the first one is this pink bag, and it looks so pretty, right? I made this bag with a t-shirt yarn. I was like, let me try something with t-shirt yarn. I got it so much in the internet, like people were trying, so I thought I should try something. So I got this yarn and I was like, what should I make? So I'm like, let's make a bag. And I made this with t-shirt yarn. It took me like 300 grams of yarn to crochet this bag, and I just did single crochet and that's it. And I just added a cute little bow in the middle to give it a more cute look. So yeah, that's it. It looks pretty. I can carry it, and it will go with all the essentials that I need to take. So yeah. So the next one is this white beanie. You can see this is so cute. For the first time I tried a beanie, so I tried it the very simple one, just like for beginners. And it looks so cute, right? I just did half double crochet in the whole beanie, and it looks so pretty. I made it with wool only, and I guess it took me like 20-30 gram, because I got a 50 gram of wool, and still yarn were left, so maybe 20-30 gram of wool it took. And it looks so cute, it looks so pretty. I just made it in one day. It's super 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 easy, and I can style it with my outfits in winter. And yeah, so this is the beanie that I tried. And next I tried this crochet bandana. I tried to crochet bandana before, but it didn't became, and so I thought, let me try again. And yeah, I tried it with wool only, and I guess that's the mistake I did. And I think I took a small size hook, for which it became a little thick while I was crocheting the bandana. You can see it became a little thick. So I guess I would have tried with a either a different yarn or a different hook. I'll definitely try both way to see that which one actually works. But this one also looks very pretty, but I just feel like it became a little thick. So, and in here also I think I just did some chains and half double crochet, and no, sorry, double crochet, just these two stitches. And I followed a pattern that I saw in YouTube only, and it became pretty and it looks good. So yeah, this white bandana also I tried, and these are some accessories actually that I tried. Next I also made some flowers are something that I love so much. So I'm like, obviously I will try flowers, right? So firstly I crocheted this white, roses. And these roses are like so pretty. And um I had to make the petals differently, each petals differently. And for one rose I had to make like 9 to 10 petals, and like three petals would be of little smaller size, and the other three a little bigger than that one, and the other three like little more bigger than the first two one. So in this way I made different type of petals, different size of petals, and then I joined it and I made these roses. It was a little hard, like it took me a lot of time because I'm a little slow also. So it took me a lot of time to crochet just these five roses. But I think I'm happy with the outcome, with the result, because it looks very 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 pretty, and I love these roses so much. It just, I did single crochet, you can say, to make the petals. And then I joined the stick, and I made the, with the sorry, I roll it with the green yarn. So that's it, I made it with wool only. These roses and the green yarn and the white one both are of wool only, and I'm so happy, it looks very good. And yeah, it looks very good. So yeah, the next flowers that I crocheted are this pink one. These flowers, these roses are super easy to make, and that's why whenever I'm like uh I'm like, I should not try something new, or I just take rest, I crochet these roses. And I crochet these roses in like white colors, pink, red, yellow, before, like not this year, before year. So it's super easy for me to make, and I make it in so short time. So when I made this pink shrug, and I made a pink beanie, last year with the same yarn. So I had this yarn left. So this year I made this pink shrug, and there was more yarn left. So I thought, okay, let me just make these roses, because these roses are super easy to make. And I was like, I was watching a film, to be honest. Yes, I was watching a film, and this I know it to make. So I just by watching the film, I just made these roses, and because I had yarn left also, and yeah, it looks so pretty. And I take these roses sometimes whenever I go outside to click pictures and all. It looks super cute and pretty. So these roses, and next, I tried this yellow Garbera flowers. I think I'm pronouncing it right. And I tried these flowers for the first time, and these flowers also took me a lot of time, because I have to make the petals first, and then the middle part one, then leaves, and then I have to join it. It really took a lot of time. And I think in here also it's like single crochet only in everywhere, and we have to make that circle, and we have to join it. So it looks very pretty. Obviously this Garbara flowers looks very pretty, but this also took me a lot of time, obviously because I tried it first time. But I'm happy with the outcome however it came, and I love to try different flowers. Actually, I love to try it. So yeah, these are some flowers that I made. Next, I made some keychains. So in this last month December only, I tried doing tried crocheting keychains, because I got a little custom orders. So I took this into a business now, so I got some custom orders. So firstly I got this sunflower keychains, and I tried sunflower to crochet for the first time only. I got ordered that the Sinead tray sunflower keychain. So I crocheted this, and it was like of half double crochet in the petals, and in middle obviously it's single crochet. So I made this sunflower keychains. Then there was another custom order, this Japi Gamusa keychain, you can say, where this one the Japi and Gamusa combo. So I tried this also for the first time, and it also looks very pretty. I have to make the cone first, the circle, then I have to join the gamusa part. So it was fun to make this keychain, to be very honest. Then I tried some Christmas decor keychains like this Santa, you can see. This was also too fun to make. I made this circle, then I added this beard, then this moustache, and I made the eyes and nose, and it was super fun to make. And lastly I crocheted this Christmas decor, sorry, Christmas decor items. I don't know what it's called. I think we can put it in the Christmas tree and decor it. I just saw a YouTube short, and it was like, oh, it's so easy to make. I just did half double crochet. I made little strap type, and I joined two color strap like in a round way, and I just added bow and this stripe like string to just for the keychain look, and it looks so pretty. We can decorate for like in Christmas tree, and we can put in our bag also, to in Christmas. Then we can go. I think it looks very pretty and cute. It's super easy to make. I made it with wool only. All the keychains I made with it with wool only. It looks so pretty, I think, all the keychains. And yeah, these were some things, like some crochet things that I crocheted this year. And all were very pretty. I tried so many different things, and it was fun. So yeah, so bye bye.